Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make all rows the same size in Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now we want to make the all rows the same size. At first, select the multiple rows. Click and drag on our mouse. Then go to the home menu and select the format drop down menu. Now we can see here many option. Now I am select the row height option. We can see here the row height is 20. Now I am change the all row height at once. Write our row height. Now I am make 40. Then press OK. Now we can see we make all row the same size in Excel very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.